Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will see AI Fabric, implementation of AI Fabric. So we will basically use the name entity model. So in this use case, we will basically recognize the entities from the text or paragraph with AI Fabric named entity recognition. Basically, this model returns a list of entities recognized in the text. Each element in the list has the text that was recognized, the starting and ending position of the character wise of the text, the type of the name entity, and the confidence in that predictions. So basically, this model's input would be required that text in the English language from which the entities will be extracted, and the output description, that is JSON string, getting returned. Under that, uh, there are certain key values pairings that will be receiving, like text, starting position, ending position, type, and the confidence level. So this is the output getting in the JSON format. So let's open the UiPath Studio. We'll create a process called name entity recognition. We'll save this. Yeah. So before performing any action in the UiPath Studio, we have to navigate to the automation cloud, that is cloud.uipath.com. Log in into it. And we have to create a new project under AI Fabric. So we will navigate to the AI Fabric and we will create a new project, PRJ named entity recognition, and we will provide the same description under this name entity recognition model. And we will create it. Once we have created a project, we will navigate to the dashboards. Then we have to deploy the ML package. So for that, we will navigate to the ML packages. Under ML packages, there are two types of options available: upload the zip files and out of the box packages. Upload the zip files, which basically use to upload your own model created in the Python. So that model you can upload in the upload the zip file. But here now we are using out of the box package, which will already certain models that it has been provided to use the open source to use to open source community. So we'll click on out of the box packages, then we will click on language analysis. So under language analysis, there are different types of models already there. So basically we will be using name entity recognition model here. We will click on name entity. So once you click on name entity recognition model, there are certain few informations available like description, input description, output description, and all these things. So basically under description, it has provided us a small information about this model, what exactly model does. Okay, so this model return the list of entities recognized in the text. The 18 types of name entity recognized used the sum output class as in. Okay, so this is the basically information that is available about this particular model. We will this is the version. Choose the package version. So version is 1.1.0 is available. So we will click on submit, and then we will provide the name. Let's say pkg named entity recognition, and again the package version is 1. The description is that is there. Yeah, and we click on submit. Yeah, so once you click done with these steps, so here is the status. You can see undeployed. So till now we haven't deployed it. So to deploy that package, we have to go to the ML skills, and then we have to create a new ML skill, and we have to provide the name to the ML skills like named entity recognition, and we have to choose the package version. So we have to choose the package that we have created under ML package section, that pkg name entity recognition. Then choose the package version, that is 1. Choose the package minor version, which is 0. Major version is 1, minor version is 0, and skill descriptions. So we can put the description here, but at this moment I will keep it blank as it is, and we will click on create. Name is already taken, so we'll test underscore and we'll create it. So once you create it, your package will getting deployed, and if you want more information about it, so you can navigate to the docs.uipath.com. Okay, once you navigate to docs.uipath.com, you can navigate to the AI fabric, and you can navigate. So all the above information about AI fabric will be available here. So we will simply click on about ML skill, and we'll see. So here step by step informations is available about the ML skill. Now once we deployed once we created the ML skill, then it will take certain times to deploy it. So model deployment usually takes between 10 to 15 minutes. So once you're done with these steps, so you have to wait almost 15 minutes. Yeah, so I have already created this name entity recognition model here, so I will delete this and we will continue with the existing ones. So you can able to see the ML skill status would be the available and ML package status is deployed, and you can see the ML logs, step by steps details, the action being performed at the backend. So all these are these details would be available here under ML package, under ML skills and the ML logs. So this is the basically process to deploy the model or ML package and ML skill into the AI fabric. Now move on to the UiPath Studio. Now to use the AI deployed model into the AI fabric, to use into the studio, we have to basically download the package that is uipath.ml services.activities. So we have to basically download this package from manage package. Now we will create one sequence, and once that package has been deployed, you can see ML, and under ML services is available, so we can use here ML services. Yeah, before that I'll just use one variable assign activity, and we will create one variable control K B text. Okay, and we will provide some information to that text about our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So I will copy this, and what I'll do, yeah, so I have just simply pressed that into this. Yeah, this is our string, or I would say a paragraph. From that we would be extracting the name entities. Now we have used the ML skill activity, that from that we will select our name entity recognition model. Here we will pass the variable that we text, where basically we have provided our string or a paragraph, which is a string type variable, and we will create one variable which is a JSON response. So control K V JSON response. We'll use one write activity, and we will simply see JSON response dot to string. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Now we will execute this, and we will see. Yeah, so here you can able to see we got the result into the JSON file format. Now this is a very complex to read, so what we will do, we will simply simplify that using deserialized JSON. So what we can do, we can again add one more package, that UiPath dot wave dot activity. Yeah, so whatever result we have received in the JSON file format, we will deserialize that JSON, and we will print it again. So I'll use deserialization, and we'll use v JSON response variable, and here we will create one more variable. So basically before that, okay, we create one more variable k, v g object. Yeah, okay. So basically we have to change the type of argument to the j array. We have to convert this into the JSON array format, j array. Yeah, so newtonsort.json.linq.jarray, and here again we have to change this variable type. Earlier it was created as a j object, so we have created as an j array. Now we use for each loop, and here we will provide variable j object, and again we just type item dot to string. So basically we will just simplify it and separated it, whatever that the result that we have received it here. We'll save this, and then we will execute it again. Yeah, so we will execute this again. Yeah, yes. So you can see this is the output JSON. So that JSON we have basically simplified it. So that's it that we have created. So here we can easily read it out what exactly named entity has been identified by the name entity recognition model. So you can see the 17th September, that is the date, and it is recognize the starting position of that particular string, ending position of the string, which type of that entity is, that is the date type of, and then confidence level is 0.76, so which is showing something positive side. Yeah, so again it will recognize India. It is a confidence level as the 0.99 and the starting and ending positions. So you can see it has identified the expected things from that uh, particular paragraph that we have provided. So here the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is again it is showing as an organization. Yes, again BJP is an organization. So Rashtriya Samsung Sangh, which is again the organization. So yeah, so it is identified the name entity out of that paragraph, and it is showing its starting position, ending position, which type of that name entity. So all these things has been it is showing here. So yeah, so yeah, this is again the useful if any of the use cases related to this type of use case. Yeah, so that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.